Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. Ooh, let's get this started. All right, guys. How's everybody doing? Let me know in the chat. How's your morning going? Let me know in the chat. But first things first, you already know how we get our day started before this market open. We have a lot of news today, guys. We already had CPI passed that. Did we have CPI passed already? Let me see. Hold on. Give me one sec. See. Yep, we have core CPI already passed at 7:30, so we good. We in the clear. And you already know how I like to start my streams, y'all. You already know I like to get the word out. So first things first, let's get the scripture out the way, y'all. All right, Matthew chapter 21, verse 18. In the morning, as Jesus was returning to Jerusalem, he was hungry, and he noticed a fig tree beside the road. He went over to it to see if there was any figs, but there was only leaves. Then he said to it, "May you never bear fruit again." And immediately the fig tree withered up. Whew. So Jesus was looking for some figs, and he went up to a fig tree, and there was no figs, and only was leaves. When he saw that, he told the fig tree, "May you never bear fruit again." Right? Next chapter, right? Next verse. Matthew 20, chapter 21, verse 20. The disciples were amazed when they saw this and asked, "How did the fig tree wither so quickly?" Then Jesus told them, "I'll tell you the truth. If you have faith and don't doubt, you can do things like this and much more. You can even say to this mountain, 'May you be lifted up and thrown into the sea,' and it will happen. You can pray for anything, and if you have faith, you will receive it." So Jesus is telling his disciples, you can even tell a mountain without doubting to get up and be thrown into the sea. And if you have faith, it will happen. So Jesus is telling you, when you praying for these things and you're asking for things, believe in your heart that you already received it and you shall have it. Remember, guys. What's up, Gary? What's up, Gary by TVB? I don't understand. But anyways, God bless y'all. Lord Jesus, let's pray that we have a peaceful and fun stream. And we're doing this through your will. Let's have a good time, y'all. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Glory be to God. Let's get it. Let's get it. What's up, Prime? Remember, guys, when you pray for things and you asking for things, believe in your heart that you already have it and you will have it. You will receive it. Glory be to God. That's how powerful our words are. That's how powerful prayer is. All right, let's see what we got. Let's look at this daily. Spread that word. Hey, what's up, Kingdom? Let's spread this word. Got to, man. We got to, man. Got to keep y'all right. Got to keep our heads right. Got to. Make sure you're praying without ceasing. Always praying, no matter where you at. Always praying, because the one that controls everything. We may do, like he said, like I said yesterday, we may throw the dice, but he determines how they land and how they fall. So make sure that you're praying so you can be on the right foot, the right track, on the right side of God, right? All right, let's get it. So look, we have this previous day high right here. Boom. Previous day high, previous day low is at the bottom. We have been pushing high ever since the tariffs and China and they came with a deal. Yo, we just been pushing higher. But to me, like I say, I don't like fighting the trend. If the trend stay long, we're going long. No matter if it looks short, stay going long. If the trend stay short, go short. But the overall trend for the week is long. I mean, I don't care. I mean, you might say, "Oh, we might reject and retrace right here." Oh, we might reject and retrace right here. If the trend is long, it's long. No matter if it looks like it want to go bearish. Stay long until you get confirmation. And what's confirmation? Is that we getting breaks of structures, change of character. You know, we're breaking these key zones that's telling us short, short, short. But for the most part, we're not shorting. All right. All right, let's see. So look at the daily. So at the daily, can we break above this previous day high, which I still want to go high? So I'm thinking long. My bias for the day is long because the trend is still long. Can we reach into these highs and touch these zones right here? We have a 30-minute fair value gap above. I don't know why it tilted like that. Why it does that? Hold on. Give me one sec. Let me fix these charts. I don't know why it's been doing this. It's been shifting my charts all over for some reason. Let's adjust this. And let me know in the chat. Hey, let me know in the chat if there's any problems with the charting. Me to pick a time frames, if the charts are frozen, if my webcam is wrong, let me know in the chat. Please, 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 please let me know if there's a problem with anything. All right, so we have a 30-minute fair value gap above our heads. We have a 3-hour supply zone above our heads, and we also have a 30-minute fair value gap above. I'm still thinking long, so we are above this previous day high right here. Previous day high. We're touching into a block. The question is, where can we buy this long? Where can we get in long? We already pushed higher as it is. Can y'all see that? We already pushed higher. Since 5 this morning, we've been pushing green. So we're gonna look for a long in this. I don't know how or when or where, but we're gonna try to find a long within this move. If we do get a retracement, caps maybe. Everything is perfect, G. Caps maybe. Caps? Caps maybe. What do you mean by caps? 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 Caps. All right, let's get it. Get back into it. All right, so look. So like I said, we wanted to get into a long because remember the bias, the whole trend is long. Even if we go short for the whole next 5 hours, the trend is long. Now, if we do get a nice short play that's setting up, then I might take it just for a scalp, just to take that scalp. But overall, you want to stay long. So remember, the first bias is long. But if the trend is looking, if the short-term time frame trend is looking short, I'm gonna get in short. That's just my plan. That's my opinion. All right. We are above this previous day high. We do have a lot of liquidity sitting below, a lot of imbalance. We got imbalance right here. We still got imbalance right here. You already know with tariffs, we still got imbalance right here. But that doesn't mean that it's ready to go short. The trend is still looking long to me. So I want to look for a long. If we can get a quick scalp going down, maybe. But if we can find a good long play somewhere in this range right here, I'm gonna take that trade. So what I'm gonna do is I already have some zones set out. I'm gonna try to set up some important resistance to kind of get some more confirmation for the longs. Let me see if I can find something that caps are in capitals and maybe. Oh, that's my thing. I like doing that because it puts more focus on what I'm looking at. Sometimes I can be looking at these green and red bars so much that I'm not even seeing these small lowercase letters. So I put the caps to kind of like remind me, hey, this is right here. Pay attention to this. All right, let's get it. I don't know if I can set a trend right here. This don't even look like a trend line. Let me get rid of this. All right, so on the 1 hour, we did break above these highs right here. You see these two highs. We broke above these on the 1 hour. On a 4 hour, we still got 45 minutes on that. All right, I want to see a retracement. If we can get a retracement back into these lows, into these highs right here, and get a bounce, then I'll take that. But I'm trying to see if we can find another. I don't even see any zones. That's the catch. I don't see no zones. Just straight green. We already tapped into that zone. We got these already. We already got these old zones. But if we do bounce at these old zones, that'd be a nice play to get into the longs. Tap into that. Tap into that. Tap into that. So for the most part, y'all, let's see if we got any more news before I do anything else. Any more news? We got CB leading index. Government barely speaks at 10 o'clock. Okay, so we don't got nothing until 10 o'clock and 8:30 tonight. So we good. We good. We are good. All right, like I said, guys, we did break this previous day high. We did break into this previous day high in these highs right here. The bias is still long. I want to see us push into these 3-hour supply zone and this 30-minute fair value gap, and it's also this 30 FVG right here above our heads. What else do we have? I think we're going to have to sit on hands until we get confirmation that we can get into a long, because I don't want to get into the long at this high because it looks way too extended. Way too. Let me look at ES. Let me get an ES to look at real quick. Give me 1 sec. Let me look at ES. ES. Yeah, we look extended. Let's see. All right, look. Let me put this zone real quick on ES real quick so I can have it set as a confluence with NQ. Market opens up in 14 more minutes, y'all. 14 more minutes and market opens and we'll take our trade. All right, we're setting our zones right now to see if we can get a nice potential bounce. Let's see, right here maybe. 30-minute IFVG. 30-minute. A possible 30-minute right here. Can we get that bounce? Maybe somewhere in here. Let me see. So I'm just trying to put more zones. If we can get more zones, then that's what I'm gonna take a trade off of. For the most part, we extended so high, I just don't see a trade right now. All right, 5-minute. All right. So the best thing I'm gonna think is best that I'm gonna do is just sit on hands and wait till this market gives me some more information. Man, we so extended already. Like, I mean, as soon as, like, you know what's so crazy about these markets? It's like before market opens, even in the Asian session or the London session, it's like the market just starts extending itself. And then as soon as New York come around, it's like, dang, I gotta sit on hands and wait to see if it's gonna either move sideways or not. So I don't want to get into a trade until I see a strong retracement back to the lows or a rejection at these highs, and then we continue to push higher. So look, like I said, these are my two plans right here. My two plans right here are this. These are the two highs we had, these two previous day highs right here, right? Boom, two highs. If we can get a retracement back into this point and respect this point and go long, I'm taking it. But if we come back down and retrace back into this point right here, I'm taking that too. So I have two long plays that I want to take, depending on how this market play out. But if we move sideways, then, you know, we're just gonna have to wait until the market gives us more information. I don't want to take no trade so high because look how extended we are. We're so high. We can really have a drop in no time. So let's say if I wanted to take a long right here, right? Even though we might be bouncing off this previous day high, I still feel like it hasn't developed enough. So I might have to wait. Wait till the market open. We got 11 more minutes until market open. And we're gonna take our trade. Then we're gonna take our trade. Man, I wish, you know what I wish? I wish Top Step had more time frames. Also, look, we also are gonna be trading Apex today too. All right, we're gonna be. This is my Top Step account, but we're gonna be trading Apex too. So stick around for that. It is what it is. Yes, it is. Remember, the code still stands, y'all. That got 80% off. Code ends May 20th. So make sure y'all go get y'all some Apex accounts. We're gonna be trading Apex today too. On Trade of 8. I'm gonna show y'all that once we get finished with this trade today. Cause I wanna take a payout on this account today. Market opens up in 10 more minutes. Remember, guys, we're gonna stay patient. We're gonna give it to the Lord, and He's gonna establish our ways. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stay patient. Something's telling me to stay patient. Let this market open. Let this market develop. No matter if it goes high fast, low fast, no matter if we start getting a lot of volatility, no matter what happens, stay patient. Because you're gonna catch your best trades when you're patient. Your best trades. Don't worry about FOMO. Don't worry about missing out. Because the market the market gonna give you so many opportunities every day. See, look, green, red, green, red. You just gotta stay patient and let this consolidation play out. So if we start consolidating sideways, because we already had the long move up, see how we already had this long? We might end up start moving consolidating sideways in range, and then we might see a dip down or a dip low or a dip higher. I mean a pullback higher. So we're gonna see. But something is telling me to sit on hands and wait for this market to open so I can see where we're gonna go. Even if we push up higher. Yes, sir. Is my screen frozen? Hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Yeah. There we go. Hey, yo, let me know when you see, if I'm saying different time frames like the 30 minute, 40 minute, 15 minute, whatever, right? Let me know in the chat if it's frozen so I can readjust it. I don't know why I think OBS been bugging out with like updating the screens. All right, we are moving sideways in a way. I already got my zones set. I got 3 zones set. I have 2 FEGs and I also have a supply 3-hour supply zone. As y'all can see. I'm gonna show y'all where I have these zones set up at. Right here, boom. Let me go down to a 30 minutes so y'all can see it. So y'all can see what I'm looking at. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know why these screens be pushing them over. That's what gets me every time. I'm telling you, these screens be buggy. All right, so this is a 3-hour. Let me put this over. This is a 30 minute. Boom, see? There we go. 30 minute fair value gap right here. 30 minute fair value gap right here. And this is a 3-hour supply zone right here. Let me slide it over so y'all can see it. Bow. I'm thinking that we're gonna go longer, wait for a retracement, maybe see a respect at these previous day highs, and maybe take the trade going high. That's my plan. So we're just gonna wait and sit on hands in 7 minutes until this market opens to give us more confirmation. But for the meantime, I'm gonna keep looking for some zones to see if we can find some more bounces. I might, you know what? This one might do. This one might do. I'm gonna put a volume profile. Put a volume profile. Maybe give me some potential confirmation on where we can go. Go down to a 15 minute. Bounce right here. Let me look at a 5 minute. Ooh. Right here maybe? No. We're gonna see. The bounce is probably gonna happen somewhere right here. I have a feeling about it. We're gonna see though. Right, let me get rid of this. Five minute right here. Boom. I like this 5 minute. 5 minute demand zone right here. Let me know if y'all see anything wrong with my screen. And we are breaking down. No. 5 minute demand zone. Let me put that in the back. Oh, it's already in the back. We got a fair value gap, 5 minute fair value gap right here. I don't like to go any other time frames below. Like I don't like setting zones, anything below a 5 minute. I feel like anything below a 5 minute is just, you don't get me wrong, you can shoot down to a 1 minute to find an entry, but to set zones below a 5 minute, I find it very unlikely. I just don't do it. I'm not a fan of doing that. I'm not gonna go down to a 1 minute looking for each little block. That's too much work. So the last time frame I would do would be a 5 minute. And that's it. Anything past that is like overkill in a way. All right, we got a 5 minute FEG right here and a 5 minute demand right here. So possible bounce right here. We'll see. We got also some imbalance right here. See all these wicks? Look at this. Look at this imbalance. We're already shooting down. Boom. 5 minute no break of structure. 15 minute no break of structure. 30 minute no break of. Yeah, we do got a 30 minute break of structure. Also, we got a 30 minute 1 hour break of structure right here. But you already know how the market has to do. It has to get a retracement first. Boom, let me look at a 4 hour. 4 hour closes in 30 minutes. All right, we still got time to see before long. So let's go back down to a 5 minute. I'm gonna also look at ES2 to kind of get more confirmation and confluence to see if we're gonna push higher. The funny thing about ES though is ES didn't get the breaker structure. I want to show y'all, but I don't want to mess my charts up. But you know what? I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Bow. ES. See if y'all can see it. All right, look at ES. ES didn't get the breaker structure. Even though ES had the breaker structure on a daily, right? But ES tapped into this block right here. That's kind of alarming. We also tapping into this 4 hour IFVG. So see this IFVG right here? We tapped into it and respected it. Yo, what's up? What's up, Brokey? What's good? What's good, man? All right, so look, on a 1 hour, ES didn't have the break, but the trend is still long. Even though we're coming into some liquidity, we're coming into some areas of interest, some key levels. The trend is still long for NQ or ES or QQQ. But the thing is, we got to see a break. I want to see more breaker structures. Can we get a retracement? We're gonna see. I want to see a retracement maybe down into these areas right here, a respect, and then a shoot up to the highs. But this is ES. ES didn't get the breaker structure on a 1 hour like NQ did. If anything, it looks like a rejection. You see what I'm saying? ES looked more like a rejection point, but we did get the break. We did get the break at this high, but we're coming into some key levels. So either we push higher into this 4 hour and tap into that, or we start to go down and retrace and go for some shorts. We're gonna see, because ES is telling a whole different story, but we're gonna see. Can we come back down into this level and maybe bounce? We're gonna see. Even though it's Tuesday, here's the catch. We don't have to go long. I mean, the trend is still long, but we don't have to go long just yet. We can wait. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Even though we did push long, we can see a retracement back down, short, and then see a bounce back later this week. We've been long this whole month, but the catch is, I think that we can see a retracement back down. So my bias is still long for the week, but if these days play out as short in a lower time frame, then I might take the shorts. You see what I'm saying? That's my trade. So if we start not respecting these areas like this, like boom, if we kept rejecting, I'm going short. You see what I'm saying? And if we get a breaker structure right here, I'm going shorter. That's the only way I'm gonna go short if we break this. If we break this right here, and I'm gonna definitely be in a short bias if we break this on ES. But if we stay above this in the meantime, like for example, if we come back and the market opens and we stay above this, I'm staying long. So ES is still looking long, but I'm not saying no breaker structure. That's what's getting me. ES also had the bounce right here. Hold on, let me place this so I can be mindful. 5 minute fair value gap. Market's about to open in like 30 seconds, y'all. Let me get right. Market's about to open. I need to be set. Boom. 5 minute. If we break this, I'm gonna go short too. Ooh. Market's open. All right, let me go ahead and set these levels and let's get to this trade. 15 minute. Let me go ahead and push this over. All right, there we go. Let's get it. Look at a 1 minute. What's good, chat? Hey, what's up, Deontay? Oh, here come the shorts. Coming heavy. Coming heavy to fill in that imbalance right here. They about to tap. Boom. Remember, you don't want to get into a market just because you see a big drop. You know what I'm saying? You want to wait, because every move is not your move. Every move is not your play. Gotta be mindful of that. It's going good. I can't complain. Market just open. We about to catch our trade. How you doing today? Would this be considered a 5 minute fair value gap right here too? Hold up, wait a minute. Hold up, wait a minute. Did I miss something? Put that 5 minute fair value gap. The more zones, the better. The better. We need more confirmation. Look at that retracement. Bow. Everybody thought the short's gonna come in. Bow. Right back up above this previous day high. Boom. Easy. Look at a 5,000 tick chart. Sorry, y'all. Give me a second. I'm trying to fix my computer. Right above these highs. Just that fast. Wow. Just that fast. 15 minute. Wow. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like the price action at all. It is not given. I don't like it. I'm chilling in the chat. That's what's up. Chilling in the chat, man. Get comfortable. Watch me trade. Watch me trade. Oh, let me set this right. Hold up. My bad, y'all. There we go. Get comfortable. Watch me trade this market. This crazy sideways market with no true break. Where we gonna go? All right, 15 minute printing. Okay, 30 minute. Ooh. Can I get? Is this a long play? Oh my goodness. Let me go down to ES and see. ES is not going nowhere. Wow, this long is looking good. This long is looking good. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Place this right here. Right there. Take your time. Do you trade supply and demand? Yes, I do, Nick. I trade supply and demand, support and resistance, technicals, ICT, CRT. If I see it, I'll trade it. Yeah. I would trade it all. Ooh. Can we get a... I want to see a pullback in this area again and then tap and bounce. If we can get that, I'm taking that. And if not, then it could take off. I mean, ES is still sideways to me. ES is still sideways. That thing is still pushing. My goodness. Can we get the retracement back? I just want to see us retrace back into this little IFVG right here. I want to see us tap into this and literally just like respect it. I might take my long. Market 5 minute prints in 30 seconds. Damn, you gonna just push like that? Yeah. Supply and demand, support resistance, CRT, ICT, CISD. Yeah. If I see it, I'll trade it. But sometimes it's hard to tell because the market will trick you up. All right, so man, we are getting that push. Straight bounce off the previous day high. Straight bounce. It's going straight long. It don't even want to give us the good product. It don't want to give us the premium. It doesn't want to give us the premium. You know, premium and discount. I would have liked this imbalance to be felt. We'll see. Let's see. We'll see. I know it wants to go long. Goodness. Goodness. Oh well. But if we do get the retracement and we get the respect, I'm taking that long. If it respects, we're gonna see. I'm gonna run like trade though. I ain't gonna lie. That's a beautiful long. That was what? How many ticks or how many points? That was 50, almost 50 points in like 5 minutes. And we still pushing. My goodness, yo. Shoo. Wow. Nice bounce at the previous day high too. Wow. Nice respect. Yeah, that was the play. Damn. Oh well. We'll catch the next trade. What we're gonna do is wait. While everybody trying to get long, we're gonna just wait. Cause this thing can shoot down. If this thing can pump up 60 points, this thing can shoot down 70 points in no time. Now just be patient and wait. Let's see if this trade gonna continue to play out. And it had a bounce at the 5 minute. Goodness. Alright, so ES is about to tap into the previous day high right now. I want to show y'all this. ES is tapping into the previous day high. Can y'all see it? It's tapping into that previous day high. We might see a rejection. Just a heads up so y'all can see what's going on, what I'm seeing. But we still in range though. Don't get it twisted. I mean, we still in range. This is considered range to me. Tapped into this. Man, look at this imbalance. It's still considered imbalance to me. Like we felt it, but we didn't really feel it. All right, let's see. Yes, hold, hold. What do you mean hold? You mean hold on, sit on hands, or hold? It's hold a trade. You holding? Let me know, Dog. You in this trade? Let me know. Don't be holding out on me. Let me know what you see, man. I'm trying to see too. I'm just. Hey, if you got any confluence, let me know. Make sure. Hey, let me know in the chat if the charts are acting funny. All right, let me know in the chat if y'all see any weirdness going on with the charts. If I'm lagging a little bit, let me know so I can readjust stuff. Okay. Hold this level. It need to hold, yeah, for sure. Hold this level. Trying to see about a long too. And also a retracement back into this 5-minute fair value gap if it prints. That would be nice. I mean, we did break on a 1 hour. Oh, I like that. Oh man, this play about to come out gorgeous. 20 minutes on the oh man. Ooh, this long about to come in. This long about to come in. Yup. Jeez. And it bounced off the block. Oh my goodness. And it bounced off the block. So A1. I know. But look how he bounced, bro. Just so beautifully. That would have been a nice scalp. Nice little scalp. Oh my goodness. Easy 50 ticks. Man, this market is like so predictable sometimes. I know. Alright, we're pushing into some important levels. I'm gonna see about a long. But I want to make sure that I'm not getting into the highest at extended price. Five seconds into this 5-minute print. I mean, yeah, 5 seconds. Beautiful trade. All right, 5-minute printed. We're gonna see. We broke the previous day high on ES. Can we see a retracement or stay above these highs? I want to see. Can we stay above these highs and go long? I don't know. We're gonna see if this sell-off gonna happen. But look at that. Look how we're respecting this. Yeah, I might take this long. I might take this long. I'm taking it long. 1 micro. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. They took out before me. Hey, it was looking so good. Oh, man. That's crazy. Hey, give me better entry. Give me better entry. Come on. Give me that entry. Give me that entry. Give me that entry, please. Give me that golden entry. That's lame. Come on, that's lame. Come on. You playing me now. Like, come on. It could even have one. Look, yo, we couldn't even get 1 wick. All these wicks, right? All these wicks, but we couldn't get 1 wick on these both bars to tap this and to bounce up. Hey, you gotta love this market, man. This market is fucking goofy. You know what? I don't even want it there no more. You can have it. I don't even want it. You can have it. Unbelievable. And also, like I said, guys, we're gonna be trading our Apex account. So once we're done with this account, I'm going to Apex and we trading our Apex account. Just a heads up. Nah, don't sell off now. I gotta see what happens though, because ES is looking very ES is hitting some important key levels right now. I was hoping they don't reject. I think we're gonna push higher though for sure. I mean, I won't say for sure, but I think we can. All right, so we do got a 5-minute fair value gap right here. Let me put this right here. 5-minute fair value gap right here. Can we tap into that and bounce off that and respect that? That'd be nice. 5-minute. I'm gonna go down to a 3-minute, 2-minute, 1-minute. Just in case our wicks want to hit this point. If our wicks want to just tap into these small little spots right here. You know what I'm saying? That'd be nice. All right, so let's see if we can can we get this rejection? Let's see if we got any CRTs or anything. Nah. All right, we're tapping into this 30-minute. We're rejecting this block. We are in range. I would consider this still range. All right, so we tapped into this high. We got 1 minute into this 15-minute prints. We have 16 minutes on that, 16 minutes on that, 16 minutes on that. All right, so we still got time before these other candles print. Because remember, you don't want to, I don't know what, this is my opinion. You don't want to wait till like the full hour, get to down to the 5-minute and then start taking a trade. You're risking it. You're risking a lot of choppiness. So what I do is I wait till like, if it gets down to like 7 minutes left, I get out of it. I start like not playing with that time frame. Can we get this retracing back into this 5-minute fair value gap and take a long? Or we're just gonna shoot down and take the shorts. We're gonna see. We are gonna see. We are hitting some important key levels. Dang, we can't get that rejection back into 5-minute. Let's get it. That's all I want. All I want. That's all I ask for. Just give us the 5-minute fair value gap. The 5-minute right here. This is all I want. Give me this. Give me this and the bounce. And I'm good for the day. I take it out. Clean out. Give me this, please. Please, market. This is all we want right here. Please. I ain't asking for nothing else. Come on, give us that 5-minute fair value gap. Come on, let's go. Give us that 5-minute. And also the respect that the previous day high. We can get this previous. Oh, hold up. Let me see. Let me see if I can see a play out. This is not even a good trade. Oh, what am I? Nah, that's definitely not it. What am I doing? Ooh, get us a rejection right here. Boom. Give us that 5-minute. I'm taking it. Let's go. Come on, give us the 5-minute. I think it's about to come in right now. Yeah, it's about to come in. It can't even hold that level. Sell off. Come on, give us the bounce. Dang. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that wick, boy. No, ain't want to give nobody that. Everybody wanted that sell off. Yeah, this market is nasty. That's why I don't like just hopping in because I see it. I want to see a break. If I see a break, then we getting in. That's the only way. Wow. Are these longs about to play out? Wow. You're telling me these loans about to shoot out. Wow. Wow. Yo, if these loans play out, that's crazy. Come on. See, we moving sideways, so we gotta sit on hands. Wicks are starting to come out. Look at these wicks. Who wants to play in these wicks? I want to see more candlesticks. I don't want to see wicks. Nobody want to see these wicks. Come on, let's go. Nobody want to see these wicks. Only wick I want to see is giant wick. All right, let's go. Come on. All I want is a touch into this fair value guy right here. Respect it. I mean, nice respect right here. Boom, boom, boom. Get the bounce. Go long. I'm also watching ES to see if we can get that confluence to make sure that we're not. Dang, I don't know, y'all. Hey, the shorts might come in right now, for real. I think the shorts about to come in. I think the shorts about to come in. Let's see what happens. I just sold. Hey, you did good. You up or down? Let me know. Dang, ooh, here come the pop. Here come the pop. The shorts are not coming in. The buyers are in control still, are they? This is a key level. This is an important level, but I think the loans are about to hop in right now. If these shorts don't come in, man, hey, these loans gonna give it. But I want to see that 5 minute get tapped into. I would love that. There we go. Come on. Come on. Just shoot down, all the way down, right here. You don't want to take the short going down because you're gonna get chopped up. We're not getting no break. Okay, hey, Die Brokey is taking a short, y'all. He said he's taking a short. We gonna see. I think his short gonna come out though. I truly believe his short gonna play out. But we're hitting some important levels. That's the catch. ES2 is hitting some important levels. 10 minutes and all these time frames are gonna reset. Oh, come on. Come on, shorts. This market do not want to give it. Come on. You know you want to trick. Shout out to everybody that's holding this trade, Hey, Die Broker, you in a strong trade. I think it's about to happen right now. Hey. Don't get this short, I might go long. If I don't get this short, I might go long. Wow. Wow. Wow, they wouldn't give us a break. Come on. Can we get the rejection? They want to give it. I should have took that long. I had a feeling they didn't want to give us that 5 minute. It took too long to break. It took too long to just break. If it didn't want to break once, this is one of my rules. I trade by. If it don't want to break once, it don't want to break twice, it don't want to break 3 times. Hey, take that long. Take that short, whatever it is, whatever the trade is. Wow, it didn't even want to break 3 times. Crazy. And also, look, I want to show y'all something. Yeah, within the next 15 minutes. Also, reason why I seen the loans coming in, and the loans probably gonna play in right now heavy. Look at this. I'm gonna show you something. Look at ES. Show y'all this. Look at ES. Come on, get over. ES bounced off the previous day high on this blue line. That's the previous day high. It didn't want to break it. On a 2 minute, didn't break, respected it. On a 3 minute, respected it. On a 5 minute, respected it. Boom, see? Perfect bounce. It didn't want to break on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. So ES was saying, hey, I don't want to break right here. So what NQ did, I don't want to break right here either. Yup. So I mean, the trade. Damn. All right, so we're breaking this 30-minute fair value gap. That's what's happening. It looks like we're going for these highs right here. I need to look for a trade in this area right here. Damn, I should have took this trade. It was looking beautiful. Nice respect too. I should have just took it. 3 minute, 2 minute. Nice respect, yeah. But the thing about this market is, it's not giving you no good information, like no good levels. It's not trying to give you like the breakout. Like for example, you seeing that it's breaking out, but it's not retracing and giving you a better entry to get back in. It's just taking off. 60 points, like it's just taking off. So it's either you're taking a risk and just risking your trade and believing in the trade and taking it, or you're not. This market is not giving you good entries. Like for example, look, I wanted to get this 5 minute. Let's see. Wait a minute. Did this 5 minute play out already? Hold up. No. I wanted to get this 5 minute retracement, but it didn't want to give it. That would have been a nice entry for a long, but it doesn't want to give it. Now look, how many points is that? That's damn near 60 points. Man, that's a whole play. If we get a retracement and respect this 30-minute fair value gap, I'm getting back into, ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, here going the shorts. Yeah, come on. Bow. They about to come in, y'all. And then they're gonna bounce. Let's see, time frames, 6 minutes. Okay, we in a 6 minute marker. I want y'all to see this. 6 minutes left until this time frame prints. The 4 hour is gonna print, the 1 hour is gonna print, and etc. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit on my hands until this next 6 minutes, because this is about to get crazy. But unless we get the respect right here. Ooh. Ooh. Hold up, let me look at ES real quick. Look at ES, look at ES. Alright, I'm gonna put a zone for ES and see if this might be a bounce. Go back to NQ. Bro, it's not even tapping into no fair value gaps. It's literally just bouncing. Dang, man. It's not giving us no good entry. It's just long. Whew. Yo, this is tough. It's almost like saying just buy the market and just go for it. Buy it and go. I don't want to do that. That's the hard part about this market. I don't want to just buy it and hold it. And I just want to get a good trade in. I don't want to it's extended. Look how extended we are. We got a 5 minute I really wanted to play in, but it didn't want to break right here. And it's just going longer and longer. Let me see if I can look at ES again to see if another trade comes in. You got a 3 minute. Yeah. We're going to wait for these 4 minutes to pass up. Once these 4 minutes come in, look. So this is my plan. All right, new plan. All right, so my new plan is let these new time frames come in. Look for a retracement. Get in long. That's my plan. Damn, the long's coming in. The long might start coming in. Alright, let me see if I can catch a quick scalp. I would like to scalp this, I ain't gonna lie to you, because the volatility is getting really amazing. I like the volatility on this. Even though we got 3 minutes, I might just wait. But I like that volume though. I really do. It's looking so good. Oh my goodness, the volume's looking so good. I'm not even gonna lie to you, that volume look good. Ooh, that volume looks good. Yo, this thing's taking off. Hey, I'm brand new to trading and learning like your style and giving it to the Lord to guide you. Hey, that's what's up, Florida. Good seeing you in the chat. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Hey, we you know, I may not have a course just yet to teach how to trade, but I guess you can watch and learn. But for the most part, what you're seeing right now is us pushing higher. We're looking for our next trade, but I'm gonna wait for this time frame. You see right here? You see this little box right here? This is my time. So on a 4 hour, you see we got 2 minutes on a 4 hour. We got one on a 1 hour. We got 2 minutes left. So I'm waiting for these time frames to reset and these next candles to print before I can take another trade. I just want to see where this market's gonna go. My bias of the day is to go long. I want it to go up. But the thing is, I'm just waiting for the market to give me a better entry to get into those longs because I don't want to get into this long before. See how extended it looks so extended. I knew those. Yo, wasn't I just saying that these longs were going to come in? Man, I was just saying that, man. He's looking good, yo. But it's too extended. It's almost feel like I'm having FOMO for sure. But it almost feel as if I try to get in, I don't want to get whipsawed and all the way down 30 points and then it bounces up. I just don't want to do that. But yeah, for the most part, we're just waiting for the longs. That's all. We're just waiting for a good entry. We are extended. We did bounce at this 30-minute fair value gap. Nice little bounce. And then we just shot up. How many ticks? 100 and almost 40 ticks. Man, that would have been a nice trade. But like I said, guys, we're going to wait till these time frames print out. We got 1 minute left. 1 minute left until the 4 hour and the rest of the time frame resets. Now, when it prints, I want to see a nice little rejection and just push up real quick. I want to see a push when they print. I'm gonna show y'all ES real quick. I got ES up. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Look at ES. ES is looking good. I had a fair value gap right here that I wanted to get into, but ES is already. See how ES bounced off that previous day high? That's beautiful. So let's see what else. We're pushing higher. We broke this high right here. Let me put a line right here just in case we do come back into this spot and bounce. See, if we have a potential bounce right here and then shoot long, I'm gonna leave that right there for ES. I'm gonna push this back over. Push this back over. Let's see if we got anything else. 30 minutes. Let's see if we got anything else. Man, shout out to everybody that got those longs. Knowing that they didn't give us no good entry. Yo, come on. Alright, here we go. Let me push over some. Feel start loading. Goodness. Never mind. Never mind. It's gonna be all day. What's up, everybody in the chat? Let me know if my screen starts acting crazy. If you see my charts and they start freezing, the time frame's not right, let me know. Let me know. Then we're gonna take our trade. I haven't taken a trade yet because I couldn't find a good entry. My first trade was to get into this 5 minute fair value gap. It didn't want to give it to us, right? It just kept rejecting this point. I mean, it kept respecting this point, see? 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounce, 4, and it just took off. It bounced off this block right here, but I wanted this 5 minute right here so bad, but it didn't want to give it to us. Broke through the 30 minute fair value gap, bounced off it perfectly, and just shot up. This market is crazy. It is definitely crazy today. We had CPI at 7:30. I don't advise you to trade CPI because if you trade in CPI, you're just saying you want to get whipped up and down. You want to get smacked in the market. All right, so let's see. Did these candles print yet? Yes, they did. And we're pushing higher. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm getting into a long. Let's see. Let's get into a long. Let me put my stop below this low right here. This volume looking good. Oh my god, this volume is crazy. Screen is good. Thanks, Florida. Appreciate it. All right, let's see what we got. See if we can get that push. See if we can get that push. I hope we don't get no retracement back all the way down. That's gonna be sucky, for real. Mm. Mm. Respecting this though. Respecting this fair value gap right here though. Like that. Make a tight stop. I'm looking at ES right now to see if we get more confirmation to go long. Looking at ES right now. I'm adding more. Come on, can we get that push? Can we get the push? Can we get the push, please? I don't want to look at the 1,000 tick chart. I want to see a push. And if it don't push, then I'm gonna scale out. Let's go. Can we get that push? Nah. It's probably gonna go crazy on me. Can we get that push? Even though we extended. All this new stuff. I took out one. Oh, can we get that push? If not, then I'll take out some more. Rejection. Don't reject. Stay above. Stay above. Adding more. $20. Taking off one. There we go. Just up 163. I'll take that. I didn't want to risk it because we so high. We already hitting a certain level, y'all. I didn't want to risk too much. That's the catch because ES is already hitting a certain level right now, and I'm just afraid that we were gonna shoot down. Keep my stop tight though. That's just a quick scalp. That's all I want to do is a quick scalp, just in case we do reject that point. I could have held more, but it's all good though. That's it, bro. It's just a little small little play. Can we tap into this point right here? Let's see. Right there. Boom. All right, so we in 1 micro. W quiz interesting. That was tough. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna tell you why. Cause ES, man, ES is giving me this. I don't like what ES is doing right now. I like it, but then at the same time, I don't like that. I don't. It's just not. It looks like rejection. You know what I'm saying? I was afraid of it. ES. See, but oh, we're gonna pop into that. Boom. There you go. Yeah. Nice, 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 nice. Can we get the pop? Can we get the pop? The pop Duffy. There we go. Let me put my stop at break even. Make it a risk-free trade. Hey, that was a nice trade. I ain't gonna lie, that was a nice trade. It was tough. I ain't gonna lie, it was tough. These wicks was playing me. I ain't gonna lie. All right, we out of that trade up 207. I take it. I take it. I take it. I take it. Okay, I was just. All right, let me lock out of this. I'm tired of playing this account. I play this account way too much. All right, we out for the day. Done. Locking out. We locking out. Now we're going to another account. Apex. I've been meaning to talk about this, right? Apex, 80% off. I'm about to start trading this account today. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be right back. Watch this. I'm gonna be right back, okay? I'll be right back. Let me go log into that account so we can start trading that account. Hey, for real, that wasn't too bad. 200, I'll take it. It just, we so extended. Look how much green we pump. You know, why would I want to buy heavy when we just... And look, you're like, why would you buy this extended? Why would you buy this a market when it's already so high? One of the reasons why I buy this market is because the long time frame, the long trend is long. I mean, the trend of the market is long, right? Secondly, we broke into these levels, but it didn't give us good entries. It didn't give us good retracement to it didn't give us a good retracement to get into a good entry. It almost as if it wants to keep pumping but not give nobody the discount. So I said, okay, since it don't want to give us, look, it don't want to give us this, it don't want to give us this, it don't want to give us this, it don't want to give us this barely, and it's just constantly pumping. It's not giving us good retracement. I'm gonna get into a long, boom. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna take the trade, but not risk too much, because once you risk too much, then if that thing decides to drop, it's over with. Like right now, I don't want that. You know what I'm saying? All right, so give me a second. Let me go log into my Apex real quick. Log into my Apex. Give me 1 second, and we're gonna trade on Apex. Y'all feel me? Y'all help me? Apex. Oh snap! Hold up. ATU9QCY. Trade these other accounts. Oh shit! What's my password to this? ATU9QCY68. I'm saying it like y'all know my code. All right, let's go. Log out this one. I don't need that one no more. Trade that. That's off. Give me a second, y'all. Let me set this up real quick. Apex. It's not a window. That's why they're not seeing it. Okay, I see what's going on. All right, hold on. Let me log out of this again and go to my computer. The webcam. I mean the web browser. They don't want me to do it as an app. I'm gonna go on Apex real quick, but it doesn't want me to do it as a web browser. I mean as an app. Let me go through the computer. I mean through the Chrome. Trade evade. Yeah, okay. Trade evade. Ew, what is that? Hold up. Wow, it never really updated my my charts. That's odd. Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. Let me update this. What in the world? Give me a second, y'all. Let me update this. I'm coming. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking at. Give me a sec. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking at. Apex. So y'all can see what I'm looking at. Let me chrome this down some so y'all can see it. Alright, so we did good on our Top Step account. Just 200. I didn't want to trade that too much. I got tired of trading it. Let me put this behind everything. Give me a second. Alright, here we go. Apex account. Let me make it smaller so y'all can see more. Oh, heck nah. Alright, let's get it. Can y'all see? Is it good? Everything's good? Let me know in the chat. Is everything's good? Are y'all able to see what I'm seeing? If y'all can't see nothing, let me know. If nothing's showing up, let me know. I'm doing this raw so y'all can see everything live. Let me see. Hold up, give me a second. Let me add something. Where's it at? Yo, is it me or the web browser for Tradeovate is so weird. Yo, where's the accounts location at? Am I tripping? This is so weird. I don't see accounts. Chart, super dom, orders, position, trade performance, spread, code, reports, news, chat, log. Bro, where is this? Where is this? Accounts. I'm gonna just put orders and see what happens. That's just so weird to me. What's up, everybody in the chat? Let's go. Come on, load up. Alright, I'm having a problem right now. I'm looking for my accounts and it's just so weird that I don't see where to put it so I can see all the money, the ticket. Positions. Is it positions? I'm catch another trade. No. What in the world? You know what? It's right here. I'm acting so slow. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm being slow. I'm being slow. Forgive me, y'all. Forgive me. It's literally right in front of my face. I'm being goofy. There we go. There we go. Right there. Yes, sir. Boom. Let's go. Apex. Tradeovate. Let's get it. Let's pass some accounts. Some more Apex accounts. Remember, the deal is 80% off. 80% off. Alright, 80% off. Use Apex Trader Funding in the chat. I mean, it's right there. It's pinned up. Use that code, that guy. We're about to use all accounts right now and start trading them. And we got a copy trader on. Hold up. Let me see copy trader real quick. Boom. Give me a second. I'm coming. Give me a second. Mark ain't gonna do nothing just yet. Give me 1 sec. Boom. 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 Alright, here we go. All right, there we go. I don't know why it went off like that. There we go. Boom. Copy trader. All right, so we got P&L at the top. Push this down some more so it can sit up nice and flush. Push this up some more so it can nice. All right, bet. Let's go. I'm so sorry for taking so long. Y'all watching me do all this stuff? Let's get it. And let me know if the camera goes off or whatever, right? Let's go. All right. I need to have another screen, honestly. I don't like this. Let me add another chart screen. Give me a second. We good? We good? All right, bet. We good. Thanks, Deontay. All right, let's see. Make this the 1 hour. Maybe a 15-minute. Maybe a 15-minute. Also, I need to see a trade on because I don't see the trade. Trade mode. Boom. Look at my charts real quick to see how this look. All right, so we good. We on not Apex right now. So this is Apex. All right, y'all. We about to take our trade. Let's get it. See what we got going on. I'm gonna change this chart to. Bid and ask. Wow, did this just freeze the count? Wait, hold up. Five minute. Come on. All right, there we go. All right, here we go. Everybody good? Apex always get me with the trailing drawdown. Hey, just don't hit that trailing drawdown. All right, we on Apex right now. My Trade app looks different with the candles. That's why I'm like, what the world? Because the website is different. I'm surprised it didn't load my website. 5 micros? Heck, we turning that off. These two because I'm copy trading. Let's get it. Y'all ready? Let's go. Remember. Let's go. Also, remember this. 80% off. Go get you some of the accounts. The code is pinned. The website is pinned in the chat. So go check it out. Get you some accounts. They cheap before the 20th. All right, let's lock in. All right, so 5 minutes just printed. We on a 1 minute right now. I'm looking at a Dom. I'm not looking at the Dom. I'm looking at a bid and ask chart on my right. Can these shorts come back in? Can these sellers come in? We're gonna see. I think these sellers might coming in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at a 5 minute. Let me adjust this. I don't like the snap. The snap is bugging me out. There we go. Turn this off real quick. I don't like trade mode. There we go. Look at a 1 minute. All right, we hitting some key levels, so I don't want to take a trade just yet. All right, I don't want to take a trade just yet until I get confirmation that we can go long. But it looks like these sellers want to come in. Look at a 5 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, I'm waiting to see if these sellers are gonna come in. I'm waiting for to see if these buyers are gonna dry up, and then the shorts can come in. We can catch our trade. Oh, might try. Let's try four micros. But to be honest with y'all, I do not like. I want to see how can I get rid of that background. Ooh, I do not like the background. Oh my goodness, I can't stand the lines. Can these sellers come in? Can we get these sellers? Remember, guys, this is an important level, so we're just gonna wait until we see an actual clear sign of that the shorts want to come in. But the longs do come in, then we're gonna continue to push long. But it looks like the buyers are trying to hold up. We're gonna see, guys. And if you're asking what I'm seeing, I'm looking at a bid and ask. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, this right here. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at a bid and ask. Can y'all see that? That is what we're looking at to get more confirmation to take this trade. How do you read that? I'm reading the bid and ask. I'm reading the delta to see if the sellers want to dry up or the buyers want to dry up. I'm just trying to get more confirmation to take a short or take a long. And it's called, look, it's right here. It's called bid and ask volume. That's like you're reading order flow pretty much. Is that you see more in numbers, so you can see the numbers. Look, I'm gonna show you real quick. It'll show you the buyers and the sellers. So you can see the numbers. You can see the bid and the ask. How many contracts are being sold? How many contracts are being bought? How many entries? How many, you see it? It really shows you more in depth. Yeah. Yeah. Instead of seeing the candles itself, you can actually see what's really going on in more of a visual number aspect. So it's pretty good to have though. Definitely having this order flow. All right, so these buyers are coming in. We're gonna see. Oh yeah. Oh, I might get a long. I might. We're gonna see. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm saying. Yeah, y'all can. It's a little laggy. I'm sorry. It's a little laggy because using that is like it requires so much load on the computer. But I'm waiting for more confirmation first. Wait for more confirmation. Heck nah. All right, I'm buying.
Order fill.
Order fill. Put my stop above these lows. 4 stops right here. See if we can hold this level. And if we can't, then It is what it is. My stop right here by these lows. Because I like how we are constantly building up. We're thinning out at these cells right here. See how we constantly building this cell? I might add more if we get this breakthrough though. But if not, then we'll just continue to, okay. Okay. I'm adding more.
Order filled.
And I'll take off if it doesn't if we shoot down. But if we hold this level, I'm holding it because I'm looking at this look. This right here, I'm gonna show you. Oh no, not that. I'm tripping. Well, shooting down. I would have expected more of a bounce right here. Where we at? Drawing tool. Where are you? Where are you? Man, they don't have the best, but I mean, I like that. I love how the entries are. Hold up. Let me fix this. Make this yellow, maybe. Apply, save. Don't shoot down, no. Respect that area, please. I'm gonna put a stop right here for 10. I thought we would have hold this level, but I guess not. Nah, I didn't want to hold this level. I thought it was gonna be it too. Yep. All right, we stopped that right here. No stop? Yeah, it stopped us out.
Stop filled.
Stop field. All right. How many have we have left in here? 4? Now you bet not, bro. You bet not respect this area and then just shoot up. That's gonna be trash. Put another stop. Bro, this is not it, bro. That is not it. Nah, you bet not, bro. That's gonna be trash. Look at a 5-minute real quick. See, getting more confirmation on where we're going. Alright. Respecting this area though. That's why I'm not understanding. Come on, let's go. Do you want to push long or do you want to break and go short? I don't know, guys. It's starting to look short. We're gonna see. If he gets back above this point right here, if he gets back above this point and respects it, I'm going short. Adding more. But if it doesn't, then it might shoot down. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how this 1 minute plays out. This is a 5-minute asking bid volumes chart, but we're gonna see. Let me look at a 30-second. Okay. Hold this range. Come on. Okay. Be safe. Okay. Yeah. I'm on Apex right now. Yeah, it did good. I just got off it. I didn't want to trade today too much on that account. I got tired of trading it. Yeah. Alright. Man, we in a key level, y'all. That's what it is. This is an important level. Look at a 30-minute real quick. Oh, 30-minute. I'm gonna look at a 1 hour. Okay. Go down to a 5-minute. Yeah, I want to add at this point. It looks so good. I'm gonna go down to a 1 minute. Very volatile. I think I got into a choppy market. I mean a choppy area. Come on, computer. There we go. I'm adding more.
Order filled.
I'm adding more. No break right here. Respect right here. And I'm gonna put a tight stop right here for 10. Like, come on. Give us the respect, yo. Break this zone. Come on. Let's break it. And if not, then oh well, you know. Oh, disrespectful. That was nasty. Oh snap. Hold up. Yeah, we're gonna see y'all. This might be a tough one. This might be a tough one. This might be a tough one. Might be a tough one. We in range though, that's the catch. Add more. I'm gonna put another 5 right here. Yo, alright, about to say. Oh, it doesn't want to give it. Come on, we're respecting this area. Can we get the pop? And if not, then you know, it is what it is. Oh, I don't like that rejection. Come on. Come on, let's get that push. Yay, we get the push. Push, 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 push. Such a strong level, and I don't want to give it. Man, if I know any better, I would have to get. Let me see how many contracts I'm in right now. I'm in 24. Let's see. Put 20 just in case I might need to pop out real quick. Just a quick. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Push. Let's go. Don't play. Come on. Give us the push. Broke that zone. Let's go. Ah. Come on. Yeah. That's scary. Yeah. Wow. Come on. You were doing so good up here. You were doing so good up here. Come on. You was doing so good right there. Man, it looks so good long, but he just doesn't want to give the longs. Oh my goodness. Talk about forever. Wow. Come on. This is come on. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? If this ain't pushing by then, I don't know what to say. Come on. Be nice to me. Did I just find the perfect level? Like, is this the perfect level? Like, come on. It's like the perfect consolidation. I know everybody's feeling this consolidation. We're squeezing out. Can we squeeze out long? That's the question. Can we get the long? Knowing that we are in this block. Hold, come on, hold it. This is a tough level. There we go. Come on. Come on, just stay above. Let's get that push. Let's get that push. Man, why does love have to be so tough? Ay, ay, ay. Gotta hold the trade though. Hey, that's why we in it, right? It looks like a short. It looks short. But did it break short? You hear me? It looks short. But did it break short? That's always the question. But I mean, you can do it. I mean, you can do it right now if you want to. But remember, we holding. I'm gonna accept this. Man, this is wow. And if it breaks, we did it. We tried our best. We stuck to our rules. We stayed through the trade. The shorts might come in, like he said. Boom. Yeah, they about to come in. They might come in. No. All right, hit one stop. Just to make sure, we're gonna see. Hit the second stop.
Stop fill.
All right, stop fill on that one. That's okay. Good eye, Nick. Good eye. So we down 600 on this one, and that's okay. Let's see what else we got. Let me go back and make this to 2. Dang, couldn't hold that level. It was looking so good. But it'd be crazy if we don't break still. I'm gonna be highly upset. Like, no, I'm just playing. I'm gonna be furious if we don't get this break up. If we don't get this break and it just constantly respects this level, that sucks. Come on, let's go. Yeah, it's gonna push down. I'm gonna get out of it now.
Order filled.
Order filled. We are down. How much this show? No, I don't show. Let me see. 631. 631. I'm gonna get back in if the trade looks good, but the shorts might come in. We're gonna see. I gotta see a break of structure before I get into these shorts. I don't want to just get into a short with no break of structure. Wow. It really couldn't hold that level. I would expect it right here. But this could be consolidation though. Let's not get it confused. This could be consolidation though. Yo, Cam. Oh, thanks, bro. Give me a second. Coming. Hello. All right, let's go. Sometimes the big camera don't hold up right. All right, the shorts are coming in. Let's get it. Thanks for the update. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Let's adjust this color a little bit. Looking like I woke up just now. There we go. Nice little color. Can we get some more sun? Fix this up. All right, let's get back to it. Oh snap! What did I just do? What was that? What was that? Yeah. So this is the bid and ask. Your cam is messing up, but you good now. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Can these shorts come in? Will these shorts come in? Most likely. But I gotta see a break. I want to see a break. If I see a break, I'm going in heavy. I want to see a break. Bro, what kind of move was that? Yeah, come on. Really? Y'all can see the bid and ask, right? Let me see. Make sure y'all see it. Yeah. Yeah. Let me sell two. Yo, that's wild. Put a stop above these highs right here. Sell two. Oh no. What are you doing? What are you doing? There we go. If we get the break. Go down to a 5 minute, see if we get the pop. I mean, see if we can get a retracement, then shoot down some more to add some more contracts. Yo, come on. I ain't gonna lie, I think me streaming and also trying to trade is like what's really messing up this computer. Big time. You're telling me that was okay, I'm about to say. You're telling me that was the retracement? Cap. Don't play. If you want to go long, then say that. Cause I've been thinking long this whole time. Like, come on, man. I've been waiting for this long forever. If you want to go long, just let me know. I'm just waiting for these sellers, these buyers or these sellers to dry up so you can tell me which way to go and I can go in heavy. And I'm already here right here. My entry, we on top of a cloud right now on the 1 minute for sure. Most definitely. Who was here saying them shorts was gonna come in? Still waiting for them. Look at 1 minute. Let's go.
Order filled.
Rejection off this point right here. I want to see a break. This big old candle with this rejection, I want to see this thing break. Right now. Not play around. Right now. Big drop. It's not trying to give it. Wow. It should give it. I ain't gonna lie to you. This should be happening right now. This thing should be like right here. In a matter of a second. Yeah. Trying to trap people out. My goodness. Why you don't want to give the short? Give it here. No, give it. Come on. It's perfect. It's like right there. Ay, ay, ay. Taking so long. Yeah, we are. We in range. This is a big range. This ain't about to pop. Yeah. Unbelievable. Oh, yeah. Unbelievable. We are down 1,000 on this account, but that's okay though. It is okay. Remember, the Apex accounts are 80% off. So if you do blow, they're 80% off. And they're like 50% off, 20% off. They are 80% off. We did our best on these accounts. I thought the pop was gonna come down, and look, I knew, man, these loans, no rejection. I mean, no break right here. When you have no breaker structure, this is bound to happen. Amazing how this play came out, and I caught the very bottom. Oh my goodness, how rookie. Definitely at a no break right here. Like, duh. Like, no stuff. But it happens, y'all. I mean, it happens. I had a feeling this was gonna come in because look, also no breaker structure on the 5-minute too. If we stay above this this candle, I'm gonna get out. I gotta get out because it's gonna, yeah. Yeah, I gotta get out of that. Alright, so
Order filled.
down on that one. I'm only out 20. So we got 2 runners left. If this can come back down, which I doubt it. If it can come back down, then that'd be good. But if it don't, and we stay above this area, well, hold on, let me get rid of this. I'm just tired of seeing this blue, this orange, or this yellow. This little yellow thing. But our entry was right here. See? 21,197. We didn't get the break. I ain't gonna lie though, my bias was to go long. But I didn't expect it. I did not expect it to do that, what it was doing now. I'm going long. Initial plan.
Order filled.
Initial plan. Initial plan. Why did I even go for the short? Now we might move sideways and get whipsawed. You know, it is what it is. No break on the 5-minute. No break on the 1-minute. No break on the 5-minute. No break on the 1-minute. This thing looks like it wants to go long. Or it could whipsaw. I don't know. I mean, it is what it is. Let me put a stop right here. Not a 20 stop. Oh, I'm in 18. I'm tripping, yo. I am big tripping. Hold up. Let me get off 15 of these things. I mean, if we push, then that's a different story. Put a stop right here. Oh, shit. Hold up. It's 18. 18. Put a stop right here. Ah, I knew the longs was supposed to come in the beginning. Duh. Had to get the retracement. No break right here on this wick right here. Had to touch this wick and then boom. Good trade though. Good trade though. Bro, why that songs get so quiet? Alright, we just gonna hold this. Bro, no. Why every part is a singing part when I crazy? Alright, let's go. Bro, I just can't believe it. I can't believe it tricked me like that. I got faked out. Remember, when there's no break, there's no continuation. Alright? If you ain't seeing no break, don't expect no continuation. Unless you know for a fact that trade is gonna go that way. Come on, do the 100-point retest. Do the 100-point retest. Deontay. Alright, let's see where we at up here. Alright, we're right here. Mm. 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 Could I add more into this? I put my stop up a little bit. Damn, we were just shooting up. That was the play. Oh my goodness. I just had to wait. Always sit on hands. When you in the chop, don't try to trade chop. Don't trade chop unless you know that the breakout is continuing to go a certain direction, right? Try to sit on hands as much as possible, y'all, because you're gonna find your trade. I already knew that was gonna happen. My goodness. Try to look at a 30-second. Look at that drop. My goodness. Can we respect this area so I can get in some more? Looking heavy. Come on, print 30-second. Print.
Order filled.
Wow, it moved my position that much?
Order filled.
Okay, I'm about to say, yo. Come on, bro. You move my position that much. Jeez. Be nice to me. You know I want to be sideways. You know, want to push up. Oh well. I mean, we tried our best. I went in too heavy. It's okay though. We're doing the best we can. I'm just trying to get this account back up to break even on a day and not be below. That's all. I'm in 36 micros. By the way, I'm gonna take out 28 if we can continue to get the push up. Come on, let's get this push. Come on. Don't reject like that. Mean rejection. Come on, let's go. Hold that level. Hold that level, please. Hold it. Oh, we don't want to hold. We don't want to hold. Hold it. Come on. I don't want to take out. You're doing great. Thank you. Thank you, Deontay. I'm trying. Market's trying to get us out of this. I ain't lying to you. Nah, this is looking kind of heavy. I gotta be careful, for real, for real. This market is looking heavy. Come on. Hey, you ain't trying to give it. Let's go. We were down. We was down a lot, yo. A lot. Come on. Come on, let's get this P&L back up. Can we get this break? Come on, let's get this account back up. Come on. Come on, just break that structure, please. Can we just break it? Can we just please? It's big pot. Please. If not, then I don't know. Come on, just come on. Come on. If not, then I'm gonna just take out. Come on, look at that. Just squeeze yourself out of there. Just bow. No. They ain't trying to give it, y'all. It's a tight spot. It's a tight spot for it too. It's a tight spot for it. What are you gonna do right here? This is what you're gonna do. Come on. Break it. Break it. Come on, we just need that break. Just break. Just break. Just break. Just break. Come on. Come on. Break this level. Break this level. Let's go. Jeez, they do not want to get this level up, huh? Oh my goodness. Come on. Look at a 30. Come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Break it, break it, break it. I'll be your best friend forever if you break this line. I'll be your best friend. Be your best friend. Your best friend. Best friend. Come on, best friend. Don't break. Come on, don't break this trend line. I don't want to start taking out.
Stop fill.
It's okay though. It is what it is, right? We're about to get stopped out. Or full contracts probably. Wow, it broke that so fast. And we so close to like blowing the account too, for real. But it's okay though. Y'all see me do good, and y'all see me do okay. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see me do good. See me do good. And now y'all see me do okay. Kinda mid, you know? Alright, I think this is it for this account. We got the break right here on this trend, but then we can respect this. If we can possibly respect this area and keep pushing higher, that'd be really nice. That'd be nice. I would love to see that. But it looks like it's gonna break and blow.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Blown it. Well, alright, we tried it, y'all. I'm gonna buy some more accounts though. 80% off. I'm gonna go buy some more. 80% off. Apex Trader funding. If I would have traded these accounts earlier, and I wouldn't have to be in this little consolidation range, I'd probably be seeing a better trade. But I just wanted to trade this so I could show y'all what I'm trading on Apex. But other than that, y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed this stream. We did good on our top step, so I can't be mad at that. We did good on top step. But Apex, I'm about to go buy some more accounts, and I'm gonna trade tomorrow, and I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. I hope y'all really enjoy the stream. Also, I gotta go back to the word because that's important. Make sure y'all use that code. That guy right here too. And we'll trade tomorrow. We'll do better. Sometimes we go up, sometimes we go down, right? It is what it is. Let's see. We blew the accounts. Be transparent with y'all. We did blow them. I'm gonna buy some more. Verse 1. Scripture, this first scripture. Like I said, in the morning, Jesus was returning to Jerusalem. He was hungry and he noticed a fig tree. He went over to the fig tree and he seen that the fig tree didn't have no fig but leaves. He said to the fig tree, "May you never bear fruit again." And immediately the fig tree withered. Right? The disciples were amazed when they saw this and asked, how did the fig tree wither so quickly? Then Jesus told them, "I tell you the truth. If you have faith and don't doubt, You can do things like this and much more. You can even say to this mountain, be lifted and be thrown into the sea, and it will happen. You can pray for anything. If you have faith, you will receive it. God bless y'all. I hope y'all get that message, and I pray y'all have a good day.